If you want a cowboy on a white horse, riding out.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northern Warren County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Norlina, or near Warrenton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northern Warren County, including the following locations: Macon, Wise, Lake Gaston, and South Point and Morningstar Marinas. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Warren, North Carolina.
We fit in your pocket. Download the 94.7 QDR app to your phone and stay connected everywhere you go.